Hello students, class 12. Let's start our study English. So today chapter 4, the rat trap. Okay. I will explain the summary of this chapter. So let's start. In this chapter given about the poverty. Poor person pressurized for doing a lot of hard work and anyhow they were means adjusting their livelihood. So, in this story, it is also a story about a poor rat trap seller. He belongs to very poor family and no one in his family there, and he was wandering here and there in search of shelter and food. Okay, and the starting of this chapter, a lot of miscellaneous feelings came in his mind about the rich persons and poor persons, and he thought also the world as the rat trap, and whatever comfort things, whatever luxurious things, it's like the bait. Bait means chara, means as those comfort things used as the bait and people kept inside the rat trap. Okay, means these things he has means explain in this chapter overall the rat trap. Okay, so let's start. Means every night that peddler, means peddler was wandered here and there, and whole the means day he spent his days in rat trap selling, and those rat trap he was means making by the a lot of garbages from the company. He have taken all the things and waste materials. From that he searched things whatever usable for making the rat trap. Okay, and after that peddler was wandering in selling the rat trap and also searching the shelter for the spending night. Okay, one day he reached at a crafter's house. Was a old man, and there were means on that house a lot of means no family member on that house. Only that old man was lived on that house, and crafter when means saw that peddler, then he become very happy because he was also in search of company anyone, and he had means guest him, hospitalized him very respectfully, and whole night they had spent with them together. Okay, at morning time crafter awake early morning for the milking his cow, and by the means selling the cow milk he had collected money also. But crafter after means going the peddler, after going the uh, that person crafter peddler had decided to thief the money because with that occupation he was a thief also. Begging and thievery is also means the source of his livelihood, and in this way he had stolen his money whatever he has collected by the milking of cow. Okay, and then he went there by the you can say the forest route, because he had ignored the route whatever the highway side, because due to publics, means there were public a lot of, and he have fear means anyone will caught him. So means he had decided to wander there to go from that place by the forest way, and in the forest he was missed the ways. He wandered here and there, but he unable to search the route from where he had to come out from that forest. Okay, then means whole the day he had spent into the search of way, and means during evening time, night time, when he become troubled by the hunger, thirst, and become tired totally, then he also slept down means on the earth. And then means he thought that whole the world as the rat trap, and he also as the rat who kept inside the rat trap as the prison, because he was surrounded from every direction by that wood and forest. He was unable to come out. Then he listened the sound of hammer, it's sticking on anything, and then he realized that someone means should be there, and he had decided, I think he can reach on overcome from the forest by this sound, and he started follow the sound. Then he reached an iron mill, Ramas Jo iron mill, and he had seen the furnace was burning there, and people were up and down doing their work. And he had decided to sit in front of furnace because that is cold season. So, okay, and he was in very shabby dressed and torn dressed and was hungry also. Then Iron Master had seen him, and he also was recognized him who he was, and then he had decided to invite him at his home for the celebration of Christmas evening. But due to fear of catching, because he had stolen the money of that crafter, so he had refused to go the Iron Master's home. But Iron Master had sent his daughter for inviting him, for requesting him for coming at his home. Then Iron Master's daughter Idla Wilmanson had come, and she had requested to Peddler for the Christmas Eve. Then Peddler had decided to go there, and he went there. And he had spent the Christmas evening, and after celebration of Christmas means at morning time, early morning, Iron Master and his daughter both went to church. Then they also heard the news the person who had at their home was a thief. Then suddenly they came at home, and they had asked about the man. The man has left their home. Okay, and then Iron Master have a lot of worry about the things whatever is scattered in his home, like silver spoons, forks, a lot of things. But Iron Master daughters have believed that that person could not do these worst things. Then Peddler had left there a letter and a gift for the Edla Mills Wilmanson, and on that letter he have written about the changeness of his mind and thought. Students, good behavior can change the person. Anyone not be as bad as he become due to their circumstances. It's happened with the peddler also. Peddler was not bad hearted and criminal type of person, not a guilty person, but circumstances and situations had made him as. And when he behaved by the Iron Master's daughters respectively, then he has also changed his opinion and thought. And on that letter, whatever he have written, I am going to express about it. Okay. The peddler's gift for the Iron Master's daughter means that rat trap and that letter. In that letter, he have written the thanks for the Idla for her kindness and respectful behavior. and that stolen money also he had kept inside, whatever he had stolen to that crafter, and he had requested to Edla also to return back money that crafter. Okay, and he had also written there, he will must be changed one day for her. Okay, and he had also means was want decided to become change and to be a captain for her. And in this way the message of the sum up of this chapter is that the whole world is the rat trap, means peoples can be kept inside by the bats like the peddler. And second message is that also means goodness can be awakened in human beings anytime, means because a lot of goodness in human beings, it may be awakened anytime by the well behavior, by the emotional thinking. Okay, so no person is a guilty by birth, circumstances makes them as. Okay, thanks.